Well, a lot of times Miss Alice would get her husband involved in her activity by getting him to create these barnwood frames for her paintings. Now, a lot of these frames still exist, and there's a lot of the frames and paintings here in the museum. And it just goes to show you that you can create art out of anything if you have the frame of mind to do so and the passion. Now, in our last story, we're going to visit with Judy Noble. Judy's going to show us her unique art and the delicate touch that it takes to create art from eggs.
I'm Judy Noble. These are just egg artistry, and it is with real eggs. It's not like Easter egg kind of egg artistry. It's not like washi egg, the Japanese style stuff, and it's certainly not like the Pisanki. They're more like a Fabergé eggs. So I got interested in it back in 2002 when I went to California to an art show, and I saw them at an art show. I asked somebody if they would teach me how to do them, and they were like, nah, we don't feel like it right now. And about a year later, they called me up and said they were going to start classes. It is with real eggs. This one is a goose egg, and the one behind me is an ostrich egg. And so I use anything from quail egg all the way up to ostrich egg. I had a friend who was doing the goose eggs. He was raising geese and ducks, so I got a lot from him. But then when Katrina hit, all of his birds got killed or blown away, whatever. So then we ended up not having that as my supplier anymore. But I have found some other goose farms around. The wedding egg is an emu egg, and it was carved on the inside to make a diorama, and on the back side is the carving of the couple and their wedding date below. So this is a period piece of like an 1800s Christmas design. The eggs are very delicate, and as you're carving them, I carve them with a special drill. The drill has to turn 400,000 RPMs, and a dentist drill turns at 35,000, so it's about 11 times as much as a dentist drill. This one's very special to me because I took the picture. I went around right before Katrina hit, and I was taking pictures of items that I thought might not be there after the storm. The lighthouse survived, and so I put it onto this egg. This is a little teapot set. It's made with duck eggs. The cup is a duck egg, and the teapot itself is a duck egg. The plate is a piece of an ostrich egg. This is and now this is another thing of Katrina thing got broken, but it's a kaleidoscope, and it's a duck egg. This is a goose egg cameo egg. All the rhinestones on each of these cost somewhere around $1 per inch. A goose egg this size cost about $50 to make. I do classes. I've taught many people, just like I'll be doing today. They show an interest in a certain egg, and then I will do a class for it. We're going to show you how to design or to create this egg, the design that we had. So I created a kit for my students here. Go ahead and open your bags and take out, there should be 2 bead caps, a clear bead, a silver bead. You'll have a pin and a jump ring. What I want to do is start with this large bead cap, and we're going to put it over top of the hole on that egg. In just a minute, we're going to glue it all together with 5-minute epoxy and an equal drop of the resin. All right, go ahead and pull your picture out of your sleeve and set your picture up against your egg. See how it's going to fit. Take the Mod Podge, and you're going to dip it in and just lay it glue onto the egg. All right, now we're going to put the picture onto it. Once you've got it on there, you want to roll it out and roll out all of the bubbles and glue. At this point, we're going to add the cord, and I'm going to use a quick grabbing glue.
Okay, so I put it on the edge?
right along the edge of the picture. The next thing we're going to go to is using the disappearing ink. As I cover over the glue is going to start disappearing. Take the cord and lay in the cord on that glue line. All right, we've got the Mod Podge on here. I'm going to take the white Ultra Fine and I'm going to sprinkle it everywhere I've got the Mod Podge. We are ready to add the topper and the bottom part.
Woo! I'm done.
You finally finished before I did.
I finally finished before you.
I don't often sell them because for the time it takes to make them and as much as I put into them, trying to get your money out of it, you don't. So they're mostly just gifts that I give away.
Thanks for joining us. If you like what you see, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting. Till next time, I'll be seeing you on Mississippi Roads.
Down Mississippi.